Model, 2017 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 2.2 Cdi Luton curtain cider box van Euro 6. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 223993. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 140 HP Mi2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a rattle. Camshaft is worn. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys, cruise control, tailift in working order. Euro status, Ulez compliant Euro 6. HPI.